Okay, so for this video, we are going to talk about angles. So mainly there are three things you need to know for this type of question. You need to know what a complement angle is. You need to know what a supplement angle is. And you also need to know a fact about isosceles triangles. So complementary angles have to do with situations like this. So you'll have angle A and you'll have angle B, where angle A plus B will always equal 90 degrees. The way to remember that is a complementary angle deals with a corner, C for corner. Okay, and a supplement angle, if you think C is for corner, well then S is for straight, with A and B having to equal up. A plus B has to equal 180 degrees. And you could remember that, like I said, by S means straight. So one last thing to figure out is what isosceles triangles have to do with this question. An isosceles triangle is when two angles are the same. So that's going to be angle A, and this last angle, it's angle B. So what that means is that A plus B has to equal 180. So isosceles triangles, actually every triangle equals 180 degrees. Every triangle. No, if you can make a triangle that doesn't equal 180 degrees, then I'll give you $1 million. But you can't. So we can use this information to solve the problem above. We want to solve for angle A, B, C, D, and E using complementary, supplementary, and isosceles triangles. If we look at this, we don't actually have any right angles, so we don't need to use the complement. But it's useful to know in case you're given a situation where that is happening, where they indicate that it is a right angle by putting the box into the angle. If they don't put that, it's not a right angle. So we can't use complementary, but we can use the supplementary angles, which A plus B has to equal 180, or in this case, A plus B plus C has to equal 180 since there are 3 angles instead of 2.